my God. Yo, what is up, YouTube? We are back with another POV. I just filmed another POV, which y'all are gonna see before this one. Two birds with one stone, you feel me? I just, pulled up to Starbucks. I got the best drink at Starbucks, bro. Like, nobody can mess with me, bro. No coffee. This is gas. But we got 17 minutes till we get to the gas station. I want to fill the rest of my tank up, and then that's it. I gotta hurry up and try to make it back so I can edit up this video, post for y'all today. If y'all don't drink coffee, this is a pretty good drink. It's just a strawberry frap with no coffee. It is hot outside today. Look at the temperature. Holy. Come on, come on. I changed my pops, if y'all can't hear, bro. I only did 2 pops. I got kind of annoyed of it just like, I think it's obsessive. So I'm on 2 pops now. It sounds good so far. Why we slamming on the brakes? Somebody tell me why we slamming on the phone. Yo, like, come on now. Yo, the semi cutting up. Come on now. Nah, you're not getting over now. There's no way the semi's going faster than you. Why are we braking? Like, come on. Like, what is she doing? Nah. Like, what are we doing? Why are we just braking? Why are we just braking? Why are we just braking? Why are we just braking, bro? I don't understand. Like, that's not real. We're just gonna keep braking. Keep braking. Like, what are we doing? I think the two pops sound like way better. It sounds more clean and not like forced. We got 3 trucks. One in that lane. Well, I know y'all saw that. There's like 5 trucks in front of us in every lane. Can't even pass. I have to try out one pop to see how much better that sounds, like if it's way better. But I feel like the 2 pops is clean. I might rock this for a little bit. Why do I have a check into him right now? I wasn't even paying attention. I don't even know how long I've been there. Why do I have a check engine light? Oh, Snapchat. Probably the catalyst, honestly. I gotta re-clear it. I think I just gotta let the car reset. Come on, lady. What are we scared of? Yo, you saw that, Goofy? Just get over it. People don't look when they get over it. They just get over it. That's a problem. It's a bot right here, but they're like so like slow that they can't even figure out what's going on. Oh yeah, I might have to take this camera off because people don't know how to stop staring. It's like you see a camera, you see a person, it's just like they just gotta look. They just gotta look. Hold on. We have finished pumping our gas, man. It only cost me $16. Can y'all see that? Only 16. To go what? 60 miles? My gas mileage is trash. Check engine light went away. Oh, did you hear that? What are you blowing at? Oh my God. Oh, that jump sound crazy. My little 328 be getting love, bro. I'm telling you. All right, YouTube. I ain't gonna lie, I know my camera about to die. So make sure y'all like. You want some of the attention too? God, that's tough. But if you're new, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next video, man. We out. Peace.